Hi everyone, if you're relocating to Cyprus or if you have already moved to Cyprus and you need some important tax tips and tax information or even tax calculators, have a look at our website, which you'll find of great use. Let's go through it together. You just type cyprusaccountants.com.cy as you can see here. And here we have lots of information about company taxation, minimization, etc. But if you scroll a bit down, you'll arrive to our calculators, where we calculate the corporation tax, the VAT, the gross to net salary, dividend tax, social insurance, and capital gains. Let's check out the corporation tax. You simply type here the amount of expected taxable profits, and instantly our website shows how much corporation tax you have to pay. It's very important for all these calculators to read our notes. There's a reason why we have inserted it, as well as our educational videos, which make everything clearer. As you can see here, we have our most popular calculator is a gross to net salary, where you type the amount of your annual gross salary, and instantly our calculator shows how much net income you will receive, how much pay as you earn you're going to pay, and how much social security. NHS was deducted purposely because it changes. When we introduced the calculator, the NHS was changing every 6 months. So we are including our notes that to be comfortable, just deduct a 3% on the net income so that you'll know exactly how much your net salary will be. You will have maybe 3% or 5% deviation from the actual amount. Well, once the NHS stabilizes, we will include it in our calculator so that you'll get accurate estimations. As you can see, you can click about the Cyprus VAT here, dividend tax, social security, and capital gains tax. I think the social security is an important one. So you write again your annual social security, and it shows you how much the deduction is. Always read the notes, please. If you have questions about the payroll, you can go here. Which is again an extract from our website where we include lots of information about payroll and frequently asked questions. Usually these questions are inquired from us by other companies where we want them, when they want to know actually exactly how much we quote, how much we charge, how we process, whether we have the expertise to do so, etc., etc. So this might not be as relevant to you, but if you're moving to Cyprus, the calculators are. Another important thing is the Academy, where we have articles, video tutorials, and frequently asked questions. So if you press on the Academy tab and you go to the articles, for instance, we even show some of our prospects. There is a bug which is pissing me off. And I've just killed it. That's what happens when you go live, so maybe you can have a laugh. Here, I'm going to minimize my face there. Okay, we actually include prospect clients, inquiries, proposals, so that you see how it works with accounting firms, audit firms, etc. And of course, we have lots of valuable information about some funding programs which are current, some explanations about parts of our work, such as the internal audit, about VAT tips, transfer pricing issues, bank account, and what have you. We have lots of articles. There are several articles posted on a weekly basis. So this is a very good library to pick up what you want. And a tip here, if you click on the hashtags here, you're going to find, for instance, all the articles that are relevant and will have been written, and they include that hashtag. So you don't need to navigate through tens or hundreds of articles. Let's not forget the video tutorials, which are broken down into these categories: tax tips, relocating to Cyprus, audit guidance, etc. So we have practical videos where we demonstrate to you guys how taxes are getting calculated, what you are expected to do once you relocate to Cyprus, if you're setting up a company, what you should do. I mean, we have it all. It's no-brainer. You just spend a couple of hours and you are fully aware and fully up to speed with the latest requirements here in Cyprus. What else we have for you? Frequently asked questions, of course. Frequently asked questions are the most common questions that we are asked by our clients and our associates. So there are lots of them, but they're all broken down into subcategories. So if you come and you want to know about company tax, you just click there, and all your questions should be there, answered in a simple and straightforward manner. If you want, you see company tax, how many taxes, payments, which taxes are paid by Cyprus companies, etc., etc. How can I pay my taxes, and so on. What else we have for you here? Okay, this video is about Cyprus, so we're going to talk about Cyprus. So if you are setting up a company in Cyprus, you can have the information here. You click here, you select, doesn't let me for some reason, maybe it's because I'm doing the recording. Here we are. Okay, let's find Cyprus. We click on the tab for Cyprus, and you have it all. Okay, Cyprus as a business center. Headquarter relocation, how to maintain your Cyprus company, how to open a bank account here, tax benefits, double tax treaties, the payroll we talked about earlier on, useful information. So it's all here. I mean, if you want to come here or do business, if you use this website, you've got it all. Everything is updated frequently. We have video tutorials talking about Cyprus and Cyprus incorporations. We have examples of Cyprus payroll, Cyprus company setup. It's me back in the day. Don't know why flies are coming into this live. It's the first time I'm using this software, so the software runs smoothly, but we have the flies annoying us, which comes to show you that there are always teething problems when you try something new. Reduced taxation section is also important for you. So we have included some Cyprus tax tips here for you. Tax calculators, company owner tax tips for the taxes, how to reduce them, property taxes, VAT, self-employed tips, employee tips, together with lots of video tutorials. So you just click here and you get to know some important tips which will make your life much easier. If you're a high net worth individual and you're considering Cyprus, there's a non-dom, which is a very attractive tax incentive where you pay no dividends actually. Your dividends get minimized. So there's an article about that as well. We do these applications on a weekly basis these days. It's very attractive, very popular. So have a go at this as well. Read it, call us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. So this is it. I mean, the more you scroll, this website is packed with useful information about you guys, about persons who want to come to Cyprus and do business. Who we are, you can find information about us here, about our management team, our associates, where we belong to many international groups, about our memberships, but most importantly about our social media, because you can catch up with us socially. And you can, of course, have a look at our YouTube channel, where we have more than 100 of educational videos explaining the entire Cyprus corporate tax system. This is a channel, Cyprus Accountants Academy, and these are the videos, quite a lot of them. Hi everyone, my name is Kyriakos Tramountanellis, and I would like to introduce you to our channel, which is called Cyprus Accountants Academy. The purpose of our... So if we scroll up, you're going to see that we explain everything. Funding schemes. Our channel is to provide you tax, VAT, and advisory information, which should cover all the gaps that you have in your knowledge in simple words, so that is understood by anyone who is not an accountant or a tax expert. We aim to assist you in enhancing your knowledge and try to avoid you falling into any tax. Okay, it's clear. If you press here, all the videos are here. We have playlists. So if you're relocating to Cyprus, we have some of the videos are grouped together, and they're important for you because we just talk about matters that are of primary importance to you guys that are relocating here to the Republic. Okay, we interview business person, influencers, tax people, businessmen, startups, so marketing experts, everything is there. But the playlists, I think the playlists are of more value to you, especially if you pick the right ones. Relocating to Cyprus, you see, we have 34 videos which are directly relevant to you. So relocating to Cyprus is very important for you. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like these kind of videos and walk through, let's say, give me a buzz, let me know, and I will be more than happy to explain more in this format. YouTube is there. You can send us an inquiry. If you need a bank account, we can open you anywhere in the world. Tax calculators, very popular.